Hey guys, Obi the Cars Workshop. Well, here is the motorcycle I built for uh, the fallout shelter. Gary was putting on the box stock build. Anyways, this motorcycle I built here, yeah, it's quite the pain in the ass to put together. This is the was it the Hasegawa kit as chief inspector, mailing somewhere. But anyways, the quite the kit to put together, had its own flaws, and I tried to just do it box stock as much as possible. But I had some fitting issues with the stupid thing, and I just built it the way it was. I mean, well, I do a couple mods to it to get it things to fit. Um, Other than that, I didn't go too extremely crazy on anything. I just want to do a box stock how it probably been built if we had just very minimal tools, right? And that's kind of the way I built it. So it's not perfect. It's far from it, and it is the way it is. I had problems with the damn exhaust system on it. It just didn't want to fit. I couldn't get it to fit properly the way it was without tweaking the exhaust. I don't know. Just is the way it was, right? And I tried to get all the hoses all in there the way it should have been done, or the way it was said in the book, in the diagram. I tried to get it as best I could, but frick me, man, it just was just a bear, one big bear. And I put a few motorcycle kits together, but far like this one here by far is the first one I've had a lot of problems with. Of course, motorcycle kits always have problems, just the way they are, just the nature of the beast. So yeah, this is about, I don't know, about I don't know, 6 inches, 7 inches long, by about 4 inches high, and yeah, it is a 112 scale, but man, it fought me tooth and nail. Um, it has a stand there, but I couldn't get to fit. I couldn't get to work properly. It just would not fit. So I got it on a pedestal here. It just doesn't work. I can't get it to fit properly. Oh, I just knocked off. No. Oh, I just busted the damn foot peg on it. Oh no, never mind. That's not foot peg. It's something else. Oh, something came off on it. Shit. Oh, the foot peg came off on it. Anyways, that's the way it is. So, yeah, I just tried to get as best I could not to glue the foot peg on there. Stupid thing. But yeah, so just fought me and fought me and fought me and fought me, and I thought, well, I'm just gonna go with it because Gary had only limited us only so much. And that's the way it is. But I mean, it is it is the way it is, right? So, anyways, 400, 3 cylinder. They were not the best motors, actually. I did some research, and it seemed that these motorcycles weren't very common because what would happen is the center cylinder would heat up because it was air cooled, right? And the center cylinder would always heat up and overheat, and it basically ended up melting the motor down. But it is the way it is. So the Japanese did not figure stuff out too early. Later on, they got a little bit better machines, a little bit better motorcycles, but it's just the way things go, right? So yeah, so the 3 cylinder had its flaws back in the day, but yeah, so other than the damn foot peg breaking off would have been perfect. Oh, okay. Let's not get too carried away. But anyways, guys, that's the motorcycle we did there for that build there, and you know, it has its flaws, and it's just the way it is. And you know, didn't want to get too carried away. Didn't want to get disqualified from the contest, or I mean from the build. I mean. So, anyways, I'm done finally. Actually finished sooner than I thought, but you know, get working at it and plugging away at it, and things get done fast. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.